They started? Oh, my bad, it started. Welcome, guys. Just putting the music up. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. That was an idea from today. Up. Now let's see how it goes. Yo, why can't I put, okay, nice. Oh, well, you know, I can leave. Yo, guys, will you join the giveaway today? Yes, as usual. Hello, Santida, how are you? How are you? Let me do the little video for the Discord, for the Telegram, sorry. Yo guys, I just started a new stream, last stream of the week. Let's try to get another win today, so make sure to join. The link is in the Telegram. Cool. There we go. What's up, guys? Good stream, thanks. It just started. So let's see. What I would love to get, as you guys can see, if we look at the statistics, we have 2.9% chances to take out a weekly high based on time, and only 33% chances to take out a weekly high based on distance. If we look at, that's the trade from yesterday. If we look from here, this is the weekly high, okay? Well, it's far away. It's like, how much higher? Like 5% higher. So we are chill. But if we look at the data here, well, session low only 55 and 36% chances to take it, but the daily 22 and 30% chances to take out the daily high. The daily high is just here, guys. The daily high is just here. Well, actually not, yeah, Thursday, no, Friday, where's the daily high? Yeah, it's same shit. The daily high is here. So low chances to take that. Let's make some wins today. Yes, Midiogo. Hopefully. What's the best entry for BTC today? I don't know yet, brother. Let's see. Good morning, Captain Sydney. So let's see what we can get, guys. Just get rooms away. I am also in this short on Ethereum. Well, that's a one-to-one swing trader. You guys know that I love to do one-to-one swings, risking 2% for 2%, chill. So yeah, this. And regarding BTC, that was the trade. Almost got filled. The 7-week value area high, well here 91K5. For me, that's the bullish line in the sand. If we de-zoom and we look at this, okay, with the weekly VWAP, 92Ks. We have the daily VWAP here. Maybe we reject it again. Here we have a POC here on 91K. If we look at the weekly TPO, same, okay, big resistance here, 91K5, 92Ks. And if we look at the monthly, same, we rejected here. Now we have the POC of current months here. So lots of resistance here. To participate in giveaway, do I just have to comment here? Not now, it will be later. Great shot on the S&P. You shorted the S&P, Matteo? The SEC data came for unemployment in this morning. It's down yeah, it's down. Let's see how S&P reacted. Yeah, okay, well. Let's look on the 1 hour maybe. On the 1 hour. Okay, let's put the trend. Okay, 200 EMA here. That's 50 and 21, right? 50, 21. Yo. So 50 should be blue and 21 should be red. Okay, great. No. What did I do? My bad. White and red, like this. Yeah, better. Okay, great. Now let's look at BTC. I would like to get a short again. We have the POCs here. So that would be a great level to short. Maybe if we can sweep this, okay, and then look for a short with tight stops here, that would be nice. Let's see. Thing is that we have a bullish perp imbalance. Okay, we don't have any red signals on spot CVD and perp CVD, so we might pump a little bit. Okay, you can see that spot is holding better than perp. So yeah, here I'm not forcing any short trades. We are still in the range. Okay, as long as we stay under this, under 92Ks, my target is like 87, 86Ks. But I mean, let's not short here with stops here, right? This can go here and still pull back, right? That doesn't make sense. So we need a clean trigger. Rejecting daily VWAP right now. Now let's look at the VWAPs on the monthly. On the monthly, as you guys saw yesterday, I showed it in the Telegram. Monthly VWAP rejection here again. We failed to close above it. We rejected. That was a nice short, okay? Here to the value. That's the shot we took. I took it in the copy trading also, guys. If you are not in the copy trading, check on X. I posted the link to join. Basically, short it here, tip it here. Great. On the weekly, we are again rejecting the value lows of current weekly. I would love to get this naked weekly VWAP retested at 88.9. Okay, that would be great. But here probably short in the middle. And regarding the yearly value, okay, so if we look at the previous yearly value, okay, we can see that we have the lows here at an 87K4, which is my target, mid-range at previous yearly VWAP at 99K4, and the highs at 111Ks, okay, and the current yearly value, okay, the highs are at 92K9, the yearly VWAP is currently at 91K5, which is the resistance. I feel like we stay under it for a while, okay, and here is the lows, but I feel like we probably push towards the previous yearly value low. Bro, do you trade on weekend also? I can trade on weekend. I won't stream during the weekend, guys. I already stream 5. It's the 5th stream this week. Okay, so we're streaming every weekdays. Weekend I take it for myself. Obviously, I will trade. I will share setups on the Telegram, on X, etc. in the private groups. But we won't stream, okay? There is verdict for tariffs by Supreme Court due today. If it goes against Trump, market may go bullish. Ah yeah, also that's a good thing to follow. Hello Digito, I follow you since 2023 and I see you buy BTC at bottom. 2023? Yeah, well basically we bought even the bottom at in 2022 in December or like late November. If you guys remember, we bought at like 16K. I can go to my on my YouTube, on my X, if we go on highlights, you guys can see here. By the way, if you want to go on highlights here, on the highlights, guys, can see. This is to join the copy trading, okay? You have all the infos. And so yeah, basically, tac. If we go lower, we can see, yeah, look. Worst moment to be bearish on Bitcoin, in my opinion. I am buying 15Ks and will DCA lower. Trust the process. We were at like 16Ks. That was the bottom. Now we are like here. That's crazy. And we went here, literally, to the top. That was the top. So that was insane. November 2022. We've been OGs, guys. This was right also. Pretty clean. That's like the good old days, guys. Good old days. And if you guys remember, we did a 2K to 20K copy trading challenge. We went from 2K to 20K. That was insane. This was insane, guys. Don't know if you guys remember. From 2K to 26K. Now we are doing a 20K to 100K. So make sure to join. Dumping straight. Yo, Alexa, what's good? Good and you? Weekend shit, yeah. Maybe I will try to trade like Sunday. Maybe. You train in Rafa Academy? Yeah, I went to Rafa Academy. I've been. Tu m'as pas DM, Yanis. Tu m'as pas DM, frérot. J'ai pas reçu ton DM. Envoie-moi le DM. check this one. Which one? 88k or 86 good long. Short is good until flip 94k. Yeah, exactly. Hello, bro. You're currently in a trade right now. Yeah. This. No, not this one. Well, basically, let me show you. Shorted this. With the VIP Discord that is closed. It's for my student, but I will open the signals again, guys, for free. Again, it will be totally free. So I will maybe open it next week for free. But basically, we shorted 91k 100 here. And right now we are here. My TP is at 86k, but I'm risk-free. Following the plan, clear level, risk-free now on the short. So yeah, basically. But I'd like maybe some shit like that. That would be nice. That would be a nice trigger. Dude, you are awesome. Thanks, Fix Madara. You are awesome. That's so sick. How was it? That was insane. That was insane. I saw Tony Nadal, the uncle of Nadal. Well, we didn't train, but it's like the facilities of the Rafa Academy are insane. When I took the jet, it was to go there. That was for my father's 60th birthday. I made him a surprise. He's a fan of Nadal. Obviously, me also. We play tennis, so we did a tennis boot camp. That was so cool. But people were so good. Il y aurait une rediff du live, oui. Yes, guys, if you guys want to see all the rediffusion of the lives, you just go on my YouTube channel, you go to stream, and you have all the streams here you can watch, okay? You have all of them here. And you also have all my videos. I recommend you guys, the last 3 videos I posted, even like the last 6 videos I posted, insane, okay? These are very good. Coming back to YouTube, we'll post maybe tomorrow or Sunday, and now we will try to post 3 to 4 videos every week on YouTube. Also posting 2 Instagram and TikTok videos and YouTube shorts every day. We're gonna post a lot. This year is for content creation, guys. What country? It's in Spain. It's in Spain. How can we join VIP for trades? Now it's closed, guys. I will open it later. It will be free again. I will update you guys in the Telegram. So if you're not in the free Telegram already, join the free Telegram. I'm posting everything already here. But the calls mainly for my students and the VIPs, but it will be free. You had to pay before, now it will be totally free. I will explain you guys how to join later, but I will open it later. For now, it's closed. Planning on taking advantage on possible iron news. Oh, really? What news? What's the name of the indicator which shows the volume profile? Which one? This one? This is not really a volume profile. That's the aggregated open interest delta profile. That's like the volume profile, but of the open interest. So you can see when positions are closed or open. Here there was a bunch of closed open interest. So yeah. But for example, here, that's the order book profile. Okay, so you have the orders on the order book. This is the TPO, so the time price opportunity. It's same as the volume profile, but volume profile is based on volume, obviously, and TPO is time price opportunity, and it's based on time. So each block is like 30 minutes of time. Well, less, I think, actually. Here in Kyoto, you can see we have the yearly view up, this one, that we rejected, okay? So that's kind of the resistance. If we get close to this, that might be another like scalp shot trigger. Ouais, envoie ton X, Yanis, comme ça je vois. What do you think about longs now, spot? I wouldn't long right now, guys, honestly. I wouldn't long right now. Makes me feel this way, ain't nobody. Ah, the microphone, sorry, it's... Took a really good long in S&P, nice, when? Here? Well, nice 0.2 bounce. Let's see. Still looks heavy. Honestly, guys, as long as we stay under the monthly VWAP and the yearly VWAP, it's bearish. Like, I mean, there's not really bullish things right now. I mean, yes, we are above the monthly value low and the yearly value low, but we are still under the weekly VWAP, the daily VWAP. We are still inside the 7-week composite here, okay? Deviated back inside, okay? So we probably rotate towards the POC. Low chances to take out the daily high, low chances to take out the weekly high. So yeah, it's not really bullish. Give like people. What do you mean? Yeah, like the video, like the stream, guys. Hey bro, check Juno XBT account. Okay. Oh, he follows me. Let's follow back. No. Is it you, brother? He showed some interest data about BTC. When? Ah, this? Jan 7, dumped 13%. Ah, dumped. Yeah, 13% would be lower then. 13% will be from Jan 7. 13% will be the lows. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Kindly share a detail of this indicator in Discord, YouTube, which you're using. Yeah, well, I did a video for my students, but I might do one for free again, guys. I will do it in the VIP the VIP Telegram that I will open. It will be free. I will show you guys my tools. Well, some are very private, so it's only for the students. But for example, I use Kernelize, I use Brighter Data. This one is private. I use Aggregate Trades. I can give you my templates, and I use Market Monkey. So all these, if you buy the subscription on these softwares, you can get them. Kaotaka also is free. So I mean, there's nothing like really complicated that I use. Bah, je prends pas de trade, ou pas de swing, Yanis. J'attends. Active in the stream. What do you mean? Up. That's for X. Up. By the way, is the sound good or no? And also, is it lagging? Is it lagging? I tried to fix the Wi-Fi. I still don't have the Starlink. I will buy the Starlink this weekend. So from maybe Monday, I will have the Starlink, so it will be very good. We will stream not on my MacBook, but on my gaming computer. I will also have a green background, so we'll have nice background. I will have a prompter, I will have lights. So the setup will be insane. We'll also, you know, have the microphone that goes here and not the DJI one. So yeah, I'm upgrading the setup, guys, so it would be nice. Now let's see. Didn't got another trigger. I would have loved something like this with you guys to short again, but looks like this is just going down without another trigger. So I hope you guys shorted yesterday with us, and if not, then let's just wait. Huh? Let's just wait. I told you once, I told you twice, and I can. Yo, Brock. Merci. Sound looks very good. Okay, let's get it, Bougie. I would love to meet you one day, bro. You're a cool guy. Thanks, Daniel Sinner. If you come by Dubai, let me know. I feel like I will only meet people in Dubai because it's safe. Or maybe in the US, like in chill places, but that's it. Safety first, guys. even if I love you all. S&P recovering, I don't see any reason for them, just FOMO maybe. Well, the thing is that it's not really correlated, guys. If you look at S&P on the daily, and you look at BTC on the daily, I mean, BTC dumping, S&P pumping. So there's not a lot of correlation, guys. BTC still looks like shit. Under the trend. What I would love on BTC is either a retest here that I would short, okay, around 97 to like 102Ks. Above 107Ks, I might close all swing short and be back as a bull. But under this, I feel like we will go towards Saylor's average price and Trump election bottom. I feel like we are still due for lower prices. Yo, Ricky Phineas. I'm from the UK. I get that, brother. By it is. We'll let you know when I fly over. Cool. Hit me up, brother. Bah, frérot, ton petit ref, il aussi. Il a qu'à arrêter de les conneries, hein. Déjà vu. We still didn't hit 100 viewers at the same time since the start of the year. Maybe because the market is dead. But let's try to push. I will stream every day. The goal is to be in average 100 every streams. I think we can get to that point. I just need to stream more, obviously. But yeah. Sometimes it's a bit sad that I see people giving like shit content and having so much views, while we just stick to like good quality content, stream every day. We are fully transparent. I mean, whenever I take a loss, I don't hide it. I even show it because that's part of the strategy. And when we win also, we don't brag about it. So yeah, but let's keep pushing. Thoughts on resting liquidity at retesting, resting or retesting liquidity at 92K before lower. Cleared that, then head lower for 86. Yeah, it could be nice. We also have a single print here. I feel like we can retest this level here. 7-week value area high, the daily high. This. Basically, that would be a great level for a short, maybe. So let's see. But this looks low-key heavy. Right now, we're under yesterday's value area low. But maybe we can have a retest of yesterday's POC, okay, and today's POC, today's value area high, Wednesday. Oh, you know what? Let me first reset these charts, okay, and put these composites here. Oh shit. Up, yeah, basically it's here. If we look at this, we do have the POC of this week here. So that could be a nice level, like 91Ks. 91K, yeah, here. Sweep this. But yeah, for now this looks bearish. So it's any thoughts on Woo? The platform is nice, but I don't know. I don't know. I wouldn't like that. Wouldn't be the kind I will buy on long term, honestly. That's how it is. Always the best people in any market are always small, and the gurus have the most followers. Yes, that's true. Hey, Epic Gold shorts. Full short Solana since 138, TP 134. Nice. Let's see. 138, TP 134. Yeah, makes sense. Great run. The 1 hour trend is weakening. If we can lose it, then we probably rotate lower. I appreciate the feedback. You're welcome, brother. I'm here for that. So if you have any questions, guys, just let me know. That's the goal of the stream. All the girls get up. Hello, volviendo después de varios días. Hola, ¿cómo estás, amigo? Yo, next is longing this dip, expecting 90k retest next week. Oh. 94Ks. Yeah, that was the plan initially. But I feel like we can have an entry here. That was the initial plan. I'm not following it at all. I feel like it's more this. 94Ks, yeah, that's high. If we go 94, I feel like we go towards the 90 days rolling view up, like 96, 97. But for now, I don't have any reasons to long right now. I know. I'm from X, first time here. Will you let me know when to come in for the giveaway? Yes. It will be at the end of the stream. Today will be a 1 hour, 1 hour 30 stream, guys. So probably like 45 minutes, 1 hour more, depending on what the market is doing. And before leaving, I will, of course, update you guys when we start the giveaway. La précision du short, tu as short le top, incroyable. Merci. How do you read footprints? Well, it's pretty, you have multiple ways to read footprints. I mean, let's go here, for example. Here I have the footprint on Bybit, okay? Here I have the footprint on Binance chart, but if you look here, if you click, you can see that it's aggregated. It's the footprint from Binance Future, Bybit Future, Apple Liquid, Deribit for all the platforms. And basically, also when you look at the footprints, you have multiple ways to see it, either in Delta mode or standard mode. What is standard mode? Standard mode here, in each candles, on the left, you have the sales, okay, the market sales, and on the right, you have the market buys. For example, here we had 125 sales in the perp, and here 221 buys in the perp, okay? And so basically, if you zoom, I need to put the header, blah, 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 show headers, okay? You can see here that we have the volume, total volume 1K, okay, 1.6K BTC, and the delta is 500 more longs than shorts, okay? But personally, I love to put it, okay, in delta. So basically in delta, I just have the delta. And I can see, okay, on each candles, okay, for example, here there was like 69 more buys than sales, 75 more buys than sales, okay? And so you can track them. And what you want to see is a lot of longs chasing or lots of shorts chasing at the highs or at the lows, okay? And you want to do the inverse because they are probably trapped and the market will reverse in the other way. This is how I read them. I also read them on Kayotaka. For example, here, well, here we didn't add that much. You can see we have exhaustion here, but for example, here at the lows, we can see that we had a lot of shorts chasing. This is why I closed my short, okay? You can see we had 100 million delta, 100 million delta, and here 400 million delta. We have a lot of shorts chasing at the lows, okay? And then we reverse. So that was the close for me when we closed inside the value. And then we bounce nicely. We bounce like 1%. So usually, yeah, we get 1% bounces from the overextensions. Now let's see if they can hold here. That's a very important level. Are you time frame bullish on any coins? Well, I'm higher time frame bullish on BTC, Ethereum, Solana, like the majors, but like long term. But if you, like, for example, here in higher time frame, I think that we're going like 20% lower from here. I think we're going like mid 70s, maybe even like 69, 68K, okay? I won't say 67. So I feel like we're getting here. But then from these prices, I will buy for long term because I feel like BT would just go higher in the future. That's just normal. So I'm bullish on crypto long term, but like short term right now, short mid term, I'm more bearish than bullish. We may see a fast short squeeze. Be careful with shorts. Yeah, let's see. Well, like if we get a short squeeze, it's fine. I will be stopped. My stop loss will be hit, and I will lose 1-2%. Like, it's totally fine. And again, I don't. Maybe there's one of the replay guys here in the stream, but when I take a trade and I take a loss, I'm not liquidated, guys. I just took a loss. I took 1%, 0.5, 2% loss. And I just move on to the next trade, and that's it. And if you guys follow me, you guys can see that I have like a very high win rate. We can go, for example, this is an account that I started with the students. So we can go on Trade AI, my trading journal, and we can see on this account, okay, it's a Coinbase account with 100K I started. You guys can see here that the performances, if we look on the last, let's start from the 1st December, okay, into now. The equity curve is going to the right and to the upside. We're in profit, 38 trades, 84% win rates, average risk reward 2.3, okay. 86% win rate on BTC, 78 on Ethereum, and 100% on HYPE. Well, I took only one short on HYPE, I think. And you have basically all the data here. It's pretty good. And I also get all my trades here, okay? I have all the trades here with all the profits. I have the notes on the trade, okay? You can see, for example, I don't know, here. I have the screenshots every time I take a trade. I have my notes. I have everything that is here. So yeah, this is how you actually track your trading journal. So that was an example for my students for the 100K account I started on Coinbase. And so you guys can see I'm trying to make 6% amounts on this account. I'm already up 13K, so I'm up 13%. I started in December, so December we made 11% December, now we're up 2K, but basically I'm already up 6% in December and 6% in January. So the goal is to make 6% per month. If you make 6% per month, you get up to 2x the account a year. And if you do that, if we do that this year, it will be at 200K, next year 400K, and in 3 years 800K, just by trading. So that's insane. Do them notes save and can discuss with AI? Yes, all the notes are saved, and you can go to the AI insights that will take your notes, your trade, your setups, and that will give you feedbacks. And now they will soon add a chatbot where you can talk with him when you take a trade or after it to talk about your strategy, your setups. And so you will really have an AI assistant that you can talk to like you talk with ChatGPT, Manus, Claude, whatever. And so yeah, this is the thing. So if you guys are interested in that, I will put you the link in the chat, okay, to get the journal up. Trade AI. You think that it's better TradeZella or Trade AI? I think Trade AI is better. And Trade AI is not really for crypto. But TradeZella is not really for crypto. This will be the new TradeZella, but better for crypto. Honestly, this is very good. That's the best trading journal I ever used. Very smooth, very easy to use. They will add a lot of statistics also. So this will be like the combination of CoinMarketManager and TradeZella with AI. So that's literally the best journal. So if you guys want to try it, check the link in the comments. And yeah. And it's very cheap. It's like, it might be like $80 a year or something like this. Like that's fucking cheap. And again, if you want to trade seriously, you have to journal your trades. Like that's not like a choice. It's like a necessity. You have to journal your trades. So if you didn't start to journal your trades, just go on Trade AI, check the link I shared in the comments, guys, and try it because it will change your life. Honestly, that's the best thing you can do when you trade, and you don't even have to plug the trades by yourself. You can connect it to BitGet, to Binance, to Bybit, to Coinbase, to Bluffin, to Tapbit, to Lighter, to Hyperliquid, even to MetaTrader if you do prop firms. It will arrive soon. So what are you waiting, guys? Which app you use for crypto taxes? Basically, just when I send it to the bank account. But in Dubai, you don't have, so. Nice journal and good job. Thanks, brother. And then can't turn me. Is Footprint on Kayotaka free? Yes, it is. It's free. Honestly, Kayotaka is a very good alternative if you don't want to pay anything. But again, for me, Market Monkey is the best. Like Market Monkey and also ExoCharts, they are the best if you want to do order flow trading and use perpetual data. But if you don't want to pay, you can use Kayotaka. But honestly, if you guys take trading seriously, take this as an expense like a restaurant will pay wages or will pay electricity or will pay food. Like if you cannot pay subscriptions for tools that will help you to become better and to trade better, then maybe it's not for you. Honestly, like you don't have to be selfish with that. Like it's normal to pay things, okay, to be better. I don't know, you play tennis, you pay balls, you pay the rackets, you play football, you buy new shoes, you run, you buy new shoes, so you have to buy things in order to do it. That's normal. So don't be selfish with that. And these are smart expenses. Market Monkey is a smart expense. Trade AI is a very smart expense also. So yeah, like you have to do that, honestly. Months, years, we're already up 2K on the account this year. December we made 11K on this, so that was great. Let's try to get another 10K months here. It's only the 9th November, so we have time. By the way, guys, I will show you just Trade AI. So for those who ask, it's very easy. Just click the link I gave you. I don't know if the link is in the description. No, it's not in the description, but I put it again in the chat. Basically, you can take time. We can take time together because honestly, it's a very good thing. For example, for my students that are in my mentorship, they don't have the choice to take this. Because also something very nice that you can do is that you can create a public profile. For example, this, Safe Change. I will have this link. And for example, I can give the link to anybody and he will have access to my open position, my track record, and to my trades and to see my statistics. So I can see what my students are doing. And also you can have your public profile. And with this, you cannot cheat, okay? It's a public profile, it's with real data. So again, there's not a lot of traders that share this to their community because I will tell you the truth, but 99% of the traders on X don't make money. They just take setups on TradingView, they don't take setups here, and they will never, never, never show you trades like this, okay? With the orders, I mean, they will never do that because they just don't trade or make money. So this is important. So that's the first thing. And then you can also have this for you. And to create, it's very easy. You click on the link that is in the chat. Oh, my camera almost failed. You have a lot of things, okay, you can see. It's very well explained here. There's also videos. And then you just get started now. You can put it in English or in French. You get started now. I already have an account, but you create an account. It's very, very easy. And then you just try the subscription. I think it's like $1 to try it. And then you can take the yearly, but I recommend you guys to take the yearly because that's the best. So now let's focus on the trades. By the way, guys, if you try Trade AI and you have any question, anything, let me know. I can put you guys with the team, I know them. So if you have any questions, they will answer and they will help you to have like a smooth introduction to Trade AI and how to use it, etc. Again, we are very early. This is not a well-known trading journal. And trust me, we can come back to this stream in 1 year but it will be the #1, I think, in the future. So take advantage of it. And again, the short is printing, so pretty good. Do you use High Block or Kingfisher for liquidation data? No, I don't use it, but maybe I should. Let's look at those. High Block, what's the Kingfisher? I think it's this one. No, Kingfisher, well, let's put crypto. Yeah, the Kingfisher. But yeah, you have a bunch of resources, no pricing. Thing is that I don't have the subscription, so I don't have it. Ah yeah, you have these liquidation levels, okay. But how do you get access? You have to, well, I will create an account, I will see. So we can have everything. Let's put this in English. Kingfisher also is nice. Let's see liquidation heat map. Can we have access? Get started. I need to create an account. Fuck. Well, I will create later. I don't have accounts, guys, but I will do that later. Is that, yeah. Done. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's only 99 cents, brother. You took it? What's your MacBook setup? What do you mean? It's like the last MacBook Pro. I see most 8-9 fixed traders on X post this. Ah, okay. Well, I will try to take a look. Breaking, the US Supreme Court will not rule in the Trump carries. Ah, so they keep it. A great tool is HyperDash, for example. You can see all the stops here. Yeah, on Hyperliquid, I use it also. Dumping concerning. ¿Cuántos idiomas hablas, Diego? 3. Español, Français, and English. And konnichiwa. No, I'm joking. I just know some words in some other language. But I speak fluently 3 languages. Just got trader, yeah, let's grow, upgrade from strong journal. Nice, nice, you will let me know. You will let me know if it's good. Cool. Honestly, guys, it's a very, very great journal. Well, right now I'm not in a trade in this account, so I cannot like explain to you guys what I do. But for example, when I enter in a trade, for example, that's yesterday's trade. So let's have the chart from yesterday's trade, okay? The trade from yesterday, basically, okay, if we have it here, please walk. Learn Serbian, bro. It's very hard. How you know to talk Spanish? My mother is Latina, so she spoke to me in Spanish when I was a child. Simple as that. So the trade from yesterday, guys, was simple as that, okay? Shorted here. I feel like I showed it here, yeah, on this bounce. I had the stops above this, okay, above that, and my target was this. It was 88K flat. 88K flat, and I basically closed it here. So for one risk reward, that was the trade, okay? So for example, here I have the charts. What I do is that I download the image. Then I go here. I click here. I go on my downloads. Here, I have the image and I put the image here. Then I edit the trade. what I will do, my stop loss 92k 300, my TP 88k. That's the initial setup, okay? Strategy, that's a scalp, okay? And the market type for me is a range. Time frame 5 minutes. It's important to put all that because you will have the data, okay? Psychology, my confidence levels was like 4. Emotional state 2. I was not really emotional on that. Final notes, price still rejecting the 7-week composite value very high. Still under the new yearly and monthly VWAP. And low probabilities to take out the daily, low probabilities to take out the daily and weekly highs. Shorted and closed before full TP because we had a lot of shorts chasing at 89Ks. Closed for 1K profits, totally fine, as this was just a scalp up. Then I have my notes, I have my things, I update, I have my risk reward multiple here, I have the statistics here, okay? And then this will be added to the journal. On the psychology, I will have the confidence, etc., the win rate depending on the confidence, on the sentiments. I have also based on the risk management, my risk table, depending on if it's a 0.5, 1.5, 4 risk reward, etc. The win rates, and I also have the strategy. I have statistics on whether that was a scalp or a swing. Okay, you can see that I made more money on swings. On the direction, long or short, the win rate also. The time frame, so you can track also which time frame you are the best. That's very good. And the market type, whether you're making money in a range or when the market is bull or bear, okay? Right now, it's only in a range because for me, it's been 1 month that we've been in a range. So for now, all the data is in a range. But if you use the journal for few months, few years, you will have data from multiple market type, bullish range, bullish, bearish ranges, a lot of time frames. So that's very, very good. So yeah, and then you can also get this. It's easy enough, one word, one sound. Oh, really? I follow you since you buy BT at 18K. Nice, Oscar. Did you buy also? Quiero ganar los $100, los necesito. Ah ouais, es random. Les challenges sur Bluefin, c'est fini. Sur le cop training, ouais, je fais sur Tabit, les gars. So again, last thing, because we won't talk about trade AI more today, maybe the next stream if we have a trade, so you can see what I do when I have actually a trade, but basically you can see how it works. So again, I've put you guys the link, and if you want to check it out, it's in the chat. So now let's see, we have a bounce from here. So let's see, maybe we can actually get that. What I would love is a pump, okay, again, close to the daily high, with, again, low probabilities to take out the daily high. Look, now we have low chances to take out the session high and low chances to take out the daily high. The session high is here. So we have very low chances to take this. That's the session high. Okay. We have only 12 and 31% chances to take out the session high, and we have only 30% and 22% chances to take out the daily high. So we have low chances to take out this and even lower chances to take out this. So the best will be to take out the session high and to play the daily high invalidation, okay? But we go also again short here. So let's see. But for now, I'm not forcing anything because we're already low. Support the stream, thanks. I like that you read all the messages, you look at the other streamers. Thank you. But also, it's if I had 1,000 messages every minute, it will be complicated. Now, I mean, if I don't answer to you guys, that's just stupid. And now, Well, last icos of the stream, guys. Then I stop for the day. Yesterday was good against the monthly VWAP and brought it out. Yeah, yesterday was a very good setup. And also, if you guys see here, like we had nice opportunities to enter at the monthly VWAP. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances to enter. These are 2-hour candles. So you had like multiple chances to enter. That was a great setup. You could have built a position here and TP here. That was like a 1.7 dump. That was great. You also had the yearly VWAP confluence. Oh, I closed the short, but okay, thanks you. It's fine. What was your short entry? S&P bouncing again. Are we making a new all-time highs on S&P? Well, on the 1 hour rejecting, but I mean, you don't want to bet on the downside of S&P. You just want to take advantage. If we get a dip, then you enter long-term on S&P. That's a no-brainer. But you don't want to like be bearish on S&P. That's stupid. It's literally like the most bullish asset of all time. So, good music. Thanks, Gregorio Andre. BTC need to hold above 89K250 EMA. Which EMA? Also, let's look here. Ah, yeah. That's also something interesting, guys, here. Look. So, on the 1 hour here, that's my BTC dashboard. So, I have BTC in 1 hour with the trend and the bands. 15 minutes here, top right. Top left is 1 hour. Bottom left is 1 minute and bottom right is 4 hours, okay? We can see that on the 1 hour, okay, we were above the trend, we lost it and then we're on a downtrend, okay? That was also a nice confluence from yesterday's short, okay? Now we're under the trend, weakening, so let's see if we can go towards this, 88Ks. On the 15 minutes, we're also under the trend, okay? And on the 4 hour, more importantly, look at this yellow EMA, white EMA, sorry. Since the 10 October, we lost it, okay? Rejected, rejected, deviation, rejected, 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 flipped it, and now we are retesting it and trying to hold. If we hold this, why not going up? But now we are also back under the 4 hour trend. So now if the 4 hour trends get stronger, we just, for me, go throughout these lows and throughout these bands, okay, at 85, 86Ks. So I won't try to fight the trend. If we do close above that in all the trend, I close all the short and I wait. But as long as we stay under this, it's bearish. I mean, I don't make the rules. That's how it is. Same on the daily, okay? 21 EMA is here. If we hold it nice, and we need to reclaim it, we can go towards this flat candle. And on the weekly is looking a bit shit, okay? So yeah, I'm still more bearish than bullish, but maybe we can get some chop again. Well, that's a boring session. I don't think we will have another trade, guys. Almost 1 hour. So what I will do now is that I will create the giveaway. So let's go on the dashboard up. So if you guys want to participate to the giveaway, you have to follow the YouTube channel, to like the stream, and also you have to comment in the next 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, we will do the giveaway. Simple as that. Up, let's put it here. So, do you think the issue of the United States and Greenland could affect BTC? Not only BTC, but the whole world. That's a very important subject. Are we in a trade? No. I'm sure, but this trade was not taken in the stream. Would love to get some shit like this. I hope to win. Let's see. Some people only commenting now. Following the challenge. Let's go. Yo Clément. YOLO Jiggy. So yeah guys, just comment here and I will pick up one of you guys to win the $100. Also, if Yanis is still here, the winner of yesterday, make sure to send me a DM again because I didn't saw it, so I can send you the money. You guys will have it this weekend, I think. Now we are approaching the session highs. If we look at the statistics here, we can see that we have low chances to take out the session high. But I would rather play. My long is printing now. Nice. Salut Diego, est-ce que tu trades les fondamentales ou pas? Aussi, ouais. You have to take in consideration the macro and fundamentals. Miss the opening, what's going on? Well, we had the short from yesterday that we closed, okay? Now that was a trade idea, kinda. We can remove it so you guys don't get triggered by that. And basically I would love something like this, or maybe here. But that will be even better. Here from the start. Nice, Nat. So yeah guys, the giveaway is running. So in order to claim the giveaway, I will give away $100 to one of the viewers. So you just have to comment the stream, okay? And to follow the YouTube channel. We are almost at 1K600, by the way. Thanks a lot. Let's try to get to 2K. By the end of the month, it will be very complicated, but let's try. Internal structure is buried during New York session. Yeah. Diego, short at 91K600, stop 92K200. What do you think, bro? Yeah, that'd be a nice short. 91K600, even a bit lower. Stops here, target here. That makes sense. That's a great one. Let's look the liquidation heat map. Let's look the one on trading different also. For me, it's the best. We have some longs chasing here also. Maybe we can have some more longs chasing. That would be nice. To take these ones and then go back for this. If we look at only the... Oh, why the 100x doesn't stay? 100x leverage, same, 86K. That's what I'm targeting. So maybe we can get this. Maybe we can get this. Let's see. I'd love a new imbalance. Trying to flip the daily view up here. Maybe we can get a retest of the weekly view up. That's like my bearish line in the sand. Russia has recalled all diplomats from Iran just as they did a week before the US attack from Venezuela, plus Trump post also seems quite concerning. Oh, that could be a trigger. That could be a trigger. Interesting. And I think about it, I know now. Session high is almost taken. The probabilities of the session high to be taken are low, so could have taken this little scalp, actually. This looks sick, but that's not the type of setups I take, so I wouldn't take that, personally. I know now, and I'm not living now. Well, we already took the session high, so session high got taken. Let's remove this. We just keep the level. So let's see. Now let's look at the statistics that are updated. Low chances to take out the session low, I think. Didn't got updated? Where's the session high then? It cannot be here. That's the session high. Staying active. So yeah, by the way guys, 44 entries for today giveaway, nice. Almost everyone is participating, that's good. That's good. We'll do the giveaway soon. Just before I leave the stream, so like in probably 5 minutes. Now let's see if we can get a trigger. Let's see if we can get a trigger. That would be nice. Okay, they're pushing. Lots of longs chasing, huh? Lots of longs chasing. Up. That could be a nice one. Retesting around the daily highs here. That could be good. But we need a trigger. Send to back. Big push, big longs chasing. Let's look here the... Oh. Pumping around the yearly open. Here. That could be a nice one actually. Okay, let me take it. I'm taking this. Whoop! Shit. I didn't took it already, guys. I felt my shit. Ah. This got broke. Fuck. Fuck. I'm coming back. Ah, fuck. Was broken. Yeah. Little plane. So, we could have something better. Well, the thing is, we have so much longs chasing, guys. We have so much longs chasing. That could be a nice fade setup. That could be a nice fade setup. Okay, spot CVD imbalance. That could even be a swing. Like 93k stop loss here. Okay. Still thinking about taking... No, you know what? Let's not take it here. Let's take it on this chart. Might be better. Up. So some shit like this. Towards the monthly low. I feel like that's more efficient. This, yeah, but like even the risk reward is not that good. Well, that's like a 1 risk reward, but could have like lower. Like this is a 2 risk reward, I like it. Okay, never mind, taking that. I'm in this, guys. Let me share that. Okay, took it. Just took that shit. Up. 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 Okay. Let me reshort. Let me share it in the group also. Up. Oh, I don't have any more battery. And we will do the giveaway just after this, guys. Up. Stops 93k 800. Up. There we go. There we go. Now let's see. So that's not the daily high anymore. Let's see. The risk here is only 2%, guys. Risking 2%, not more, okay? Only 2%. Now we want to see the price back under the yearly VWAP, okay? Here we can also see that we have the weekly VWAP here, the resistance. We pop straight above it. If we close above it, that's bullish. We might even close it before, okay? Important level also here. Let's put the horizontal line here so we have it, okay? Very important level here. Yeah, we cannot put alarms here, but still, okay? Great level here. And in the VWAP, oh shit, I have to reset it. So now, in the meantime, let's do the giveaway, guys. 63 entries. Sorry, I was not really looking at the thing. Hey, plane get crushed. Yeah. Yeah. The thing is way too strong. I'm waiting for one more swing higher. Well, let's see. Honestly, I wouldn't go heavy here, okay? Just like tight. It's a swing, okay? I mean, the entry is here. Our stop loss is 2% higher. That's it. That's it. No big deal. No, not trying to force it, okay? That's it. Up. So. Up. I showed it here. Where is the giveaway? Yo, Dorolo. So let's do the giveaway. 70 entries. That's insane. So let's do it. Almost everyone commented. That's funny. So let's choose the winner, guys. Today the winner will be Joanna Vita 7388. Congratulations. Entre Netanyahu, Trump, Erdogan, tu choisis qui? Bah, Trump. Is he here? Let's wait and see. Now let's take a look at this also. We're retesting the weekly VWAP here again. How is the yearly value? Where is the yearly VWAP? Well, yearly VWAP is here. We have it here. Now we have 1 billion, 2 billion volume. The volume is insane, guys. Insane volume. Insane volume. Up. Let me show this also on X. Up. Insane volume and lots of long chasing into yearly VWAP retest. Can we flip it or another leg down from here? To me. So is the winner here? Not here. Not here. Let's wait 1 minute more. What just happened? Did the tariff gets blocked? I think no, they didn't get blocked, right? Let's look on X what's happening. Let's look on X what's happening. Wow, we already got this. Yeah, insane pump. US Supreme Court will not rule on Friday in Trump case. But no, basically that's the inverse. They won't take it. Does a Fed need to cut more rates? Trump admin prepare backup plan in tariff structure breakdown. Is ready to quickly reinstate tariff in the Supreme Court rules against the president global levies. Okay. Backup plan using. Okay. Backup plan using. Where is it? Post unpublished data job early on social. Oh, really? He posted early. Russian attack it. No. Didn't rule on challenge the president. Donald. Okay. Well, now let's see. What's important to see here for me is really the yearly VWAP. If we can hold above it. If we can hold above it, that might be bullish, okay? Weekly VWAP is here, very strong level, okay? This is why I go short here, basically. We have a strong level here for shorts. That's just a short again, guys. I'm not trying to like catch the top and going all in. Okay, this is just like a short, 2% risk. That's it. And yeah, what I want to see, closing in 23 minutes. So what we want to see is this closing above that. That will be the first nice thing for bulls. The thing is that we are closing above the monthly VWAP, but not above the weekly VWAP, okay? So we will need another 2-hour candle close above that. So let's see. Still giving it time, waiting for the daily. Maybe the daily just bounces and we just go much higher, okay? Here, let's see also. So there's a lot to see. So basically, if we put the trade here, our entry was here. Let's put the same as here so we don't cheat. 91K at under 837, okay, a bit lower. Okay, 37 here. And the stop loss is 93K at 100 here, okay? And the target is here, much lower. Boom. It's not that trade. Is that trade? Yeah, 87K, sorry. 87K. Basically, it's this. It's this. And we are risking 2%, okay? Simple. So for example, on the 100K account, I took basically 1 BTC short because a bit more because it's 2%. Simple as that. That's the setup, guys. Did the winner answer? Yeah, okay. Read me. You have to take a screenshot, screen record of this, and then you send it to me on X, okay? And I will answer to you. Send me on X and also on Discord if possible, if you can send both. And the proof, also screenshot, screen record, etc. So congratulations for today, brother. So now let's see. Let's see if they can hold it. But we already have some imbalances, guys. If we look at this, we are retesting this very important level. Okay, up. Let's remove that. So I can also post it on X. Up. I would like a second one. If we can do a rectangle, that would be nice. This, tack, up. Apply. Dollar BTC retesting a huge level here. If we break 92, get chance we get. Why? Why? If we break 92K, good chances we get to 70Ks. Yeah, I shorted, brother. I took a short here. Now let's see. That was the plan. Retest here. 7 days rolling VWAP. If we cannot flip it, and we cannot hold above the yearly VWAP, also. Oh, lots of shorts chasing. Interesting. Let's see. That will be a very big battle, guys. Huh? But look, spot increased a lot. We squeezed a lot of short. That was a squeeze. A short squeeze basically. We took all the liquidity here. Look. Took all the liquidity here. Now we have some liquidity lower. So let's see. That could be interesting. That could be a nasty rejection if we actually reject here. So very interesting to look at this. Rejecting the weekly VWAP for now. Again, for now. And 20 minutes to go into this. Unfortunately, guys, I will have to go. So I will leave you with this. I will update you on the channel. So thanks for the stream, guy. Well, you know what? Let's stay a little bit. Just that I have to do some things here. I will update also here. So let me make a video on the Telegram. Okay. So let me do that, and I will just share the screen like this. Okay. Yo guys, so just for those that are not in the stream, we just took a short on BTC with the stream. So we are retesting, okay, the monthly VWAP here. We are retesting the weekly VWAP, and this is the setup we just took, okay. So entry here at 91K at 130, stops 93K at 100, and first target is the 30-day rolling VWAP at 89K, okay, 89K 300, and then we look for the 7-week TPO, POC. Here, for example, if you guys can see the profile, okay, the 7-week, okay, profile, we retested perfectly the value area high, and now if we reject, that's very bearish. Now again, if we look at the footprints, we can see huge volume with almost 500 million longs chasing. This is the yearly VWAP right here. So if we reject it and we close under that, that will be very bearish. So now let's see how it goes, and let's see if this trade goes to TP or to stop loss. Again, this is just a trade, so let's see how it goes. Up. Sorry, I just made the video, guys, for the Telegram, so they have the updates in live also. So what we want is this to close under it. 20 minutes to go. That would be nice. That would be very nice. Same, we took liquidity here. Now maybe we go for that liquidity. That would be like a pump and dump, basically. Like basically a pump and dump. Now, if we look same, like only 2% chances to take out the weekly high and 33% chances. We have the whole weekend, so maybe we just grind up to 93 and we don't take it, and we take it Monday. Let's see. And then low chances to take out the daily low. So yeah, what I would love, okay, is not to take the daily low today. Is basically the price to reject here and to hold under these levels. This stream was so good, guys. We had very good execution. We waited in order to enter. We almost entered here, then we entered at highs. That's good. Could even be a risk-free trade. So that was great execution, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Dorolo, je vais pas répondre aux questions politiques. C'est pas le but. C'est pas le but. Et dans tous les cas, Netanyahou, bon, Erdogan, je suis pas calé dessus, mais Netanyahou, c'est bien pire que Trump. Genre, frérot, c'est... Enfin, j'ai pas envie de débattre sur ça. C'est marrant que ce soit toujours les Français qui soient obligés de vouloir des questions tricky comme ça, genre. C'est pas le but du stream, là. Well, so, let's get back to this. Sorry, French people. So, spot holding here. 17 minutes to go. How is the monthly? Oops. Yo, if we have a candle close under the monthly, that would be insane. That would be insane. That'll be like a huge fake out. That'll be very funny. Now let's see. This is really the level. This is really the level. Up. Let me share that in the Telegram here. I put fire. Guys, if you're in the Telegram, please put emojis to show support. That's the only way I can see that you guys are interacting with me with fucking emojis. Lots of shorts chasing also. That's interesting. That was a nice one, but actually, look, you always have like I feel like we can get to 91, like always like a 1% from highs rejection. That would make sense. Now they will obviously fight for it. So let's see. That was a great one. Viva Venezuela libre, sí. ¿Vienes de Venezuela? ¿Futuro funciona? Before you go, Sol analysis please. What's the best entry in Sol? Yeah. Tu penses quoi des points de vote de drogue? Doit-il être amélioré? C'est quoi tes questions, frère? C'est quoi tes questions? Solana trying to hold the 1 hour trend. Let's see. But again, guys, it all depends on BTC. Next 15-minute candle will be important. Maybe we fully reverse that, or we just go back down. That'd be insane also. Now let's see. Let's see. But if this is really heavy, we just dump. Bro, yo Alexa. Fucking Forerunner is running my entry. Shit, what was your entry? 92k? We've hit 92k, no? I think we hit 92k. Let's look on Coinbase. On Coinbase, no, 91k, 950. That's funny. No. Okay, now they're trying to bounce. Let's see if we can have on the 5 minutes retest plus rejection of the yearly view up. That would be bearish. Again, the yearly view up, guys, is a very, very strong level. That's like institution level. So that's kind of the big level. Very nice confluence with the yearly VWAP and also the monthly VWAP. So now let's see. But having a candle close at these levels is really not the same as having a strong candle close here. Even though if we flip that, that's low-key good, we are still under the weekly VWAP. So for me, my confirmation for bullish will be close above this, and then in the next 30 minutes, 15 minutes or 1 hour candle, we have a close above that. That will be bullish. So now let's see. Reset charts. And see here, there was a bunch of volume. Finally, we have some good volume. Let me show that also. Mi premio irá a Solana. Nice. Bouncing to 93k. You're still long. Dual price action. Won't say anything. Should we put a keeper next stream? Maybe we'll have more chances to win. Joking. Oh, we have big orders here. Let's look on the order book. Yeah, look. Like 100 mil orders here. They are trying to hold it. Now the battle will be between the weekly VWAP and the daily VWAP, kind of at the same distance. So it looks like they want to push. I don't see how someone can blow their account like this. What do you mean? I wanted to get your opinion on risk management style. I came up while on walk. You basically do normal risk, three trades. Then on profit setter, you risk 40% of the profit you made over though. So you risk 40% of the profits you made. Yeah, that's all right if you're risking profits. The problem is that it can affect on the long run your profits. It's when you make profits, you risk them all, you lose it. You make profits and then you stay break-even. While having the same risk, you will have equity curve like this instead of having this and staying break-even. I feel like it's always good just to risk 0.5 to 2% maximum per trade and you stick to that. That's it, honestly. Okay, nice rejection. That's what we wanted. And again, guys, look, retested the yearly VWAP rejecting. Maybe we close above it. I don't know. But that will be a good study case of yearly VWAP, okay, absorption and rejection. Honestly, that's what I'm trading right now. So that would make sense. Obviously, the setup can fail, okay? But this is a strong setup to me. So this is why I went swing short. Instead of just having a scalp here, I wanted to go on swing, risking 2% instead of 1%. So now let's see. Also, let's look at Ethereum. I feel like Ethereum can be more affected by this than BTC. Retested the entry basically. But yeah, if we flip that, the problem is that with such a strong candle, let's look at the 1 hour, because the 1 hour is still strong. Like the 4 hour is still okay, still under the 21 EMA, so under the trend, okay. While still 10 minutes to go, and the 1 hour is strong. I mean, this rejection is nasty, okay, obviously even on the 1 minute, but on the 1 hour, that candle is kind of strong because we are kind of engulfing all of this. If we put the candle closes of that, for example, candle close is here. If we close above that, that's good, okay. So now let's just look at it. Let's just look at it. For me, we're in the trade and we just wait and chill. Sorry, I'm answering to some students asking questions. 8 minutes to go. Look, they're trying to close above it, huh? They're fighting for it. They are fighting for it. What's your TP, bro? First TP 89k, then 87ks. What was the short entry? 81k 800. Well, let's look. Yeah, 81k 837. Well, actually, this was the chart. Yeah, 81k 837. That's when we shorted. And some people might have get a better entry at like 91.9 if you took it after. Let's go house day. Thanks. Very good, Dennis. I was supposed to stop the stream earlier, like 30 minutes ago. But as we finally got some pump and price action, I decided to stay, which was good. I almost went out before the pump, guys. I almost went out before the pump. That would have been sad. Now it's good. We are risk-free. Yeah, I feel like I will just update here in the Discord. By the way, I will merge the Discord, the VIP Discord, in Telegram for free next week. Risk-free now. Enjoy the weekend, fam. Up, that's good. Ciao. My job is done here. Now we wait. What's the playlist called? It's on SoundCloud. It's all my like songs. And these are also mixtape. Dorolo, DM-moi sur Twitter si tu veux parler. Do you think we get 89k today? A lot of liquidity there. Today I don't think. I wrote to you on Discord. Nice. Let me check. Okay, cool. I will send you a message later after the stream. We'll take care of your giveaway, brother. Congrats. Up, just to update on X. Oh, you have Nasdaq and stuff here? What? Oh, cool. You have ES and oh, you have all the stocks. That's cool. Not cultural, I go to Switzerland for skiing. I've learned a lot today, thank you. You're welcome, Captain Sydney. That's why I do the streams. Hey Patel, what's the invalidation for your trade, bro? Well, my invalidation is stops entry right now. We shorted the top, so like stops are entry basically. Like that was a great trade. Stops, entry. And that's it. Good sound incoming. We will finish on that. Or you can use. Retesting the daily VWAP. Let's see if they can bounce from this. That's the last level for bulls to me. Daily VWAP here at 90k 800. Stop move to break even. Yes. We basically got a 1k rejection, guys. 1k rejection from weekly VWAP. That's enough for me. Spot is holding compared to perp. Maybe they just are lagging and they will dump it. But look, Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, BitMEX, they push the price heavy. Also, if you guys remember on the crypto dashboard, whenever the spot imbalance appeared, we rejected. Look, that was very clean. We've got the imbalances, boom, rejection. Saturday the patient be. You can count on me, count on me, on me. Tente compassion. That was great. That's why I'm posting on X, guys. So you guys should take some TP1 because usually when you chill a setup that you took on X or a P&L card, it's reverse. So I'm posting, make sure to take some profit or play stops entry. Retesting the daily VWAP here. Nasty rejection, huh? Nasty rejection. Comment tu as configuré ton outil de market maker? C'est pas moi, c'est quelqu'un à qui je l'ai acheté. You already closed your short? No. I took some partials and I trail stops entry. That's it. We already got a nice rejection, okay, into the daily VWAP. That's clean. Look, I will make the update here so you guys can understand. Up here, clean rejection of weekly VWAP and sorry guys. Shorts chasing, took partial profits and trail stops entry. Now time for the weekend. Closing in 1 minute. Will they be able to close it here? I don't think so. So now let's see. But we are risk-free. Je le vends pas, frérot. Pas pour l'instant. Yo, Alexa, what's happening? Make it drop to 74k, please. That will be lovely. Okay, so we closed it. 4 hour just close. Let's look here. Close under that. Maybe we fill the wick, maybe we don't. But we closed above the 1 hour trend, 50 EMA. Okay, that's the first level. We didn't close above this high. So I'm still keeping the shorts. We closed under the 4 hour 50 EMA, 21 EMA. Now let's see. We close under the weekly VWAP. We close under the monthly VWAP. If we do reclaim that and we don't take entry, I might even close it in profit. So now let's see. We've got a nice entry. So that's it. So thank you guys for the stream. That was a very great stream, maybe the best stream of the week, so that's good. We streamed 5 days this week, every days, ending with the best stream possible, with a lot of value. I hope you guys enjoy it. I might make some review, like a YouTube video about the stream, so you guys have like a condensed stream where we have all the execution, when we took the trade, etc., the educational content. So thanks again, guys. See you guys Monday. If not, make sure to join the Telegram in my X bio, so you guys can have all my updates. And yeah, have a good weekend, guys. That was Diego. Bye-bye, and see you Monday.